Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make money using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that has been trained on a vast amount of text data, making it capable of understanding and generating natural language. It can be used for a variety of tasks, including answering questions, generating text, and even making money. In this tutorial, we will explore several ways to make money using ChatGPT. So, let's get started. 1. Content creation. One of the best ways to make money using ChatGPT is to create content that leverages the model's capabilities. You can write blog posts, articles, or even books that use ChatGPT's text generation abilities to create engaging content. You can also create social media posts, chatbot scripts, and other types of content that utilize the model's natural language processing capabilities. 2. Chatbot development. Another way to make money using ChatGPT is to develop chatbots that use the model's natural language processing abilities. Chatbots can be used for a variety of purposes, including customer service, marketing, and even entertainment. You can create chatbots for businesses or individuals and charge a fee for your services. 3. Data analysis. ChatGPT can also be used for data analysis. You can use the model to analyze large datasets and generate insights that can be used to make business decisions. You can offer your data analysis services to businesses or individuals and charge a fee for your services. 4. AI writing tools. You can also create AI writing tools that leverage ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities. These tools can help writers generate content quickly and efficiently. You can charge a fee for access to these tools or offer them as a subscription service. 5. Online courses. Finally, you can create online courses that teach others how to use ChatGPT to make money. You can cover topics such as content creation, chatbot development, data analysis, and AI writing tools. You can charge a fee for access to these courses or offer them as a subscription service. 6. Translation services. ChatGPT can be used to provide translation services for businesses and individuals. You can offer translation services for a variety of languages and use ChatGPT to ensure the accuracy and naturalness of the translated text. You can charge a fee per word or per hour for your services. 7. Copywriting. Copywriting is the art of creating written content that persuades and sells. You can use ChatGPT to generate copy for advertisements, product descriptions, and other marketing materials. You can charge a fee per project or per hour for your services. 8. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants provide administrative and technical support to businesses and individuals remotely. You can use ChatGPT to handle customer service inquiries, schedule appointments, and perform other administrative tasks. You can charge a fee per hour or per project for your services. 9. Creative writing. If you have a passion for creative writing, you can use ChatGPT to help you generate ideas and develop your writing skills. You can create short stories, poems, and other creative works using ChatGPT as a writing assistant. You can sell your works on online platforms or through self-publishing. 10. Language learning. ChatGPT can also be used to create language learning materials. You can use the model to generate example sentences, create quizzes, and develop interactive exercises. You can sell your language learning materials on online platforms or through your own website. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can be used to make money in a variety of ways. Whether you are a writer, developer, data analyst, or educator, there are many opportunities to leverage the model's capabilities and earn a living. So, start exploring these options today and see how you can use ChatGPT to make money.
Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to this video. You can follow us on Instagram at Blackcastly Investments, Facebook at Blackcastly Investments, Twitter at Blackcastlive, LinkedIn at Blackcastly Investments.